Hello, guys. I hope everybody's doing well. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and engage in the comments. My name is Spina Marie of Concept with K, and today is another slow day. All I have to do is I'm going to record an episode of the podcast, and I am going to make coffee. And then I'm just going to, you know what? I'm going to go into the garden because I need to go in there to check what's up. I can see the red, so my tomatoes, these are not right. So good water kitchen. And then what am I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna cook fish today, and I'm going to go and study. You all know that I have classes that I take, and that's what I'm going to do. Today's sound is my girl, the GOAT, Amy Winehouse. Enjoy, I love you. Okay, word. Let me give a word. What can we talk about? What is this? Okay, let me just talk about something. Let's talk about authenticity. What does Dini Bakujari does Dini? So the track is making noise. Authenticity. Authenticity, Vari, is the most attractive force, right? Or energy, I don't know. But yes, being authentic, you can never go wrong because all you have to do is be yourself. And don't feel like you need to be somebody else, because those people are thinking, and you've already seen them and they've done it right because they are authentic to themselves. So we need to see you, we need to see what you bring to the table, whatever it is, how unique it is good enough. Produce that. Don't drop us off yourself. We want to see what you have to say. We want to hear it. We want to see you be you. Trust me, if you are yourself, we're gonna learn something from you. Everybody is unique. Everybody has something that they bring to the table. Everybody has something that they can teach to the rest of us. So don't try to be someone else. Don't emulate somebody else. Don't say, oh, I liked that she does it. Inspiration is there, and we love it, and we are all for being inspired. But at the end of the day, we would like to see. I hope you can hear me because the garbage truck is going. At the end of the day, we would like to see you for who you are, what you bring. And trust me, if you're yourself, it's easy because you don't need to put on an act. You don't have to perform. And most of the time, let's be honest, people who are performing, trying to showcase this, we are adults. We can see it, and we can see it. So just be yourself, and we will love you for who you are. Be you. And today's fifth, should I'm doing all black. Today is all black, right? Oh, and it's Mariah Carey in the background. Anyways, love and light. Even though there's no sun, you all need to hydrate, drink. You don't even have to drink water. You drink water, yes, but you can just eat your fruits. There's water in fruits. Just take care of yourself. Take a bath, smell nice, look good, be clean, and be respectful to yourself, to the people around you, to your environment, and make your mom a cup of tea. Or give her a call. Love you.
I've read the words before, so now I know the time has come again for me, and I'm feeling the same way all over again. Feeling the same way all over again. Singing the same again. Feeling the same. Let me be your ruler.
You can call me Queen Bee.
And baby, let me live that fantasy. My friends and I, we've cracked the code. We count our dollars on the train to the party.
Yeah.
And every island's tigers on a gold leash, we don't care. We're not caught up in your love affair, and we'll never to learn what you think you know. I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. Even lost to me. You need to give it up. Have about enough. It's not hard to see. I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. Even lost to me. I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. He belongs to me. The boy is mine. Have you ever loved somebody so much it makes you cry? Have you ever needed something so sad you can't sleep at night? Have you ever tried to find the words?
So I have a message, and it's controversial, but it's necessary. It needs to be said. And my word is, once you leave, keep it moving. Once you leave, keep it moving. And I think I've shared this message with a few people in my life, that, you know what, I would see it in other people and be like, you know what, I feel like you need to move on from your friend group. The old friend group, it's okay. You don't need to feel bad, right? Because it's run its course and it does not even make sense anymore, right? And some relationships come to that. It just dawned on me that once you leave, you need to keep moving, because your old life will never accept you. They will never have you back. It is what it is, and you need to come to terms with that. You need to come to terms with the sacrifice it takes to move, because once you leave, it's hard. There's no coming back. There's no coming back home. There's no home anymore for you to come back to. It just is what it, and I remember people would say that. I would see that in messages on podcasts and stuff, and they say, you know what, once you move, it's different, and it's a bit painful, it's a bit confusing, but it's, now that I can recall back to when I heard people say there's no coming back home, it will always feel strange, and the home will not embrace you back. It just doesn't. And I feel it. I feel like some of the relationships that were, they can never accept me for the person I am now. They'll always they will always be very sensitive to you because you've moved, right? And it doesn't even have to be you moving, it just has to be us growing in different directions. Now we've grown together, and it was nice when we were still doing that thing that we have in common, and maybe that is what brought us together, right? But now that thing is done and we've kind of you've grown, I've grown in this direction, you've grown in this direction, there's no love lost. It doesn't need to mean that there's love lost. Just means that we are now different people and we see things from different directions. You are here because you've moved this direction and you see it from the east. I'm here and I see it from the